So today is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. It's really cold outside because of the rainfall. I made some natural remedies just to keep me warm. Cheers! Before I go to work, I need to complete this song, Closer Than I Thought, for Pastor Joseph Radio. There are other couple of songs coming out soon from many other composers, which I'm working on, so stay tuned. But for now, Closer Than I Thought will be released on 22nd of May 2026, which is Friday. I'm done with the mixing and the mastering, and I'm on my way to work, and I want to enjoy the song on my way, which I always do for all the songs I produce to make sure everything is perfect. Please support his ministry by sharing and subscribing to his channel. Thank you.